today I'm not making one, not two, but 3 anti-inflammatory recipes. What do these recipes have in common? They're all using one key ingredient, and that is coconut milk yogurt. I'm featuring CocoJune today because it is my current favorite. Whenever I find a product that's clean and anti-inflammatory, I love sharing it with everyone. So CocoJune is the star of the show today. I love taking recipes that would typically call for dairy and making them dairy-free. These recipes are no exception. So I'm gonna use CocoJune in 3 different ways, but they're versatile ways. So not just a yogurt bowl. We are doing that today, but we're gonna do 2 other recipes that are savory. So first up today, we are going to make a creamy herb chicken salad. Now I am going to take this beautiful chicken salad and I'm gonna put it in the food processor to really mince up that chicken breast. You don't have to do that. If you wanna cut it into chunks, that's totally fine, but let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into the first recipe.
Let's season our chicken breasts. This is my recipe I call the everyday shaker. I'll just add salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. To a hot grill or stove, you're gonna add your raw chicken breasts and cook them up nicely. Then what you wanna do is go ahead and shred them. I'm gonna do it a different way. I cut them into big chunks and I put it in the food processor because I wanted it to be super creamy. You can pick how chunky your chicken is. There are no rules here. Now, what chicken salad is complete without some celery? But don't underestimate celery. It's hydrating, it has a lot of vitamins and minerals, and it always adds a good crunch. We're gonna go ahead and cut our lemon in half, and we're going to chop up our fresh dill. In my opinion, you can't have too much dill in this recipe. Add your chicken into the bowl, however minced or chunky you want it. Now the star of the show is going to be our CocoJune, coconut milk yogurt, and equal parts mayonnaise. We're going to spice it up with a little salt and pepper and give it a good mix. This freezes really well too. And don't forget, taste as you go. If you want to add more seasoning, add more seasoning. And let's add a little garlic. I'm going to put that in the fridge while I cut up my lettuce and get it all prepared. Now, we just want to fill the lettuce cups. If you want to top yours with fresh tomatoes or some fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro or extra dill, maybe you want a little cucumber on top, whatever your heart desires. These are easy, they're great for lunch, it's great for a snack. You can even take the chicken salad and make a dip with crackers or a sandwich.
Did you ever think to put yogurt in a chicken salad? I love taking the combination of mayonnaise and yogurt and putting them together to make it more fluffy. CocoJune is the perfect product to use in that recipe. Now, let's move on to our sweet recipe. This can be a breakfast, it can be a snack. We are going to make a beautiful apple and granola yogurt bowl. Let's do it.
To a warm skillet, we're going to add our coconut oil until it melts. Then we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. We have our chopped apples, our diced apples, our oats, our hemp seeds, our cinnamon, and let's add in that maple syrup for sweetness. You just want to get this warm, 5-6 minutes. The longer it cooks, the crunchier it gets and the softer the apples get. Now you can take this mixture and store it in the fridge as is. It's great to make ahead. Or you can go ahead and immediately assemble your yogurt bowls. You can also top your chia pudding with this beautiful mixture. Now I'm just going to take unflavored coconut milk yogurt, add it to a bowl. I don't need to add anything to it because the apple mixture has sweetness. And that's it. Easy, simple, delicious, and healthy.
All right, this last recipe, I'm actually gonna do the whole mayo coconut yogurt combination again, but this time we're gonna make a sauce. This is a creamy, sweet, dill sauce, but I'm going to show you how to do it 2 ways. So essentially, this is one recipe. You can use it 2 different ways. I'm going to use it as a sauce and I'm going to use it as a dressing. Let me show you. It is a very simple, quick 5 ingredient recipe.
So many condiments at the store are unhealthy. They have preservatives, a lot of added sugar, and we don't need that stuff. And it's so quick and easy to make your own, whether it's a dressing or a marinade or a sauce or a dip. Let's make our own. And here's a little trick. Put a little oil in your measuring spoon before you put the honey in there, and it pours right out without sticking. We're using dill again and garlic. People ask me about this garlic rocker all the time. It's in my Amazon store. I will link it in the description. It's so much better than a garlic press. You're going to do equal parts coconut milk yogurt and mayonnaise, a little bit of honey, dill, and garlic. That is it. You can put it on a salad, dip things in it like plantain chips or vegetables. You can also spread it on a sandwich or pour it over some chicken.
I hope these recipes got your creative juices going and gave you a little bit of hope that you too can make healthy recipes without them being super time consuming. I know CocoJune is in many of the grocery stores now, so you can reach out to them if you want to find it where you can find it locally. I have found it at stores like Whole Foods, H-E-B, and in the southern state of Florida, you can find it at Publix. I absolutely love CocoJune, but you know what I like more than that? Showing you healthy recipes that help reduce inflammation in your body. This is just one pillar that I teach inside my free weekly masterclass called the No Diet Health Reset. It happens every Tuesday, and if you would like to attend this no-cost event, just click the link below in the description to register. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week with another glorious anti-inflammatory recipe. I have to go, but one question before I do. What is on your fork? Bye for now.